Okay guys, so today I'm going to be building a gravity marble race set. Okay, so I'm going to find which one I want to build in these directions. I am going to be building this one, okay? So I am flipping back to where it starts. Let's see. Okay, yeah, right here, step one. Okay, so step one, I need 5 of these black thin pieces, okay? Four, 5, okay, got 5. Okay, now I need 21 of these pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's see. Where is the board? Right, the bottom. We're going to set the board really quickly. There you go. Okay, so to go far as I can. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I'm going to take 6 of these ones. 3, 5, 6. And you're going to put them right here, I believe. No, yeah, right here. Okay. And I'm going to take one black one. It's right there. Okay. And I'm going to take 3 more of these. And I am going to put them right. Hang on, I'm trying to figure out where I have to put these. Okay, right here. Okay, now I'm going to take another 3 of them. This one's right here. And then I'm going to put them right. Wait a minute. Okay, there we go, right there. Okay, and I'm going to take another 3. Go. And I'm going to put them. Actually, I'm going to take one black one and put it right there. I'm going to take 3 of these again. And I'm going to put that right there. Okay, I'm going to take one black one, and I'm going to put it right here, I believe. Yep, okay. Okay, now I'm going to take one of these, and I'm going to put it right here. And okay, I'm going to take one of these again, and I'm going to put it oh, wait a minute. Okay, I think I may have had the board set up a little badly. That should be right now. Okay, I'm going to put this one. Wait. There we go. Now I'm going to put this one right here, that one right there, and I'm going to put this 3-piece one right here. Okay, and I'm going to put another 3-piece right here. I'm going to take a black piece and I'm going to place it right there. I'm going to take 3 of these again and put that right there. And black piece right, let's see, right there. Okay, there we go. I'm going to take one of these pieces and I'm going to put that right there. And then I'm going to take a black piece and I'm going to put this right here. Okay, there we go. I'm going to take 3 of these, put these together real quick, and one black one on top of it. And I'm going to put this right here. Okay, and I'm going to take the last 2 of these and put that right there and there. Okay, that was step 1. Okay, let's see what step 2 is. Now we need 2 of these silver balls. Okay, 2 of them. And you can put them wherever you want. I'm going to need 3 of these. 3, okay. Got these. 3 of wait, no, not that one. Hang on a minute. 3 of these, okay. Let's see, got 3 and 1 of these, okay. Okay, and I'm going to need, let's see, these 8 of these pieces. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there we go. And now I need 2 of, let's see, where is it? Wait, is that it? Got it. 2 of these, so I'm going to look for another one. Found one. Wait, yeah, that's it. Never mind, that's not it. Oh, there we go, found one. Okay, got 2 of these. Now I'm going to need 1 of these. Okay. 1 of these pieces and 1 of these. Okay. Okay, now let's see. Okay. I'm going to take 1 of these and I'm going to put it right. Hang on. Here, I'm going to put this. No, not right there. Hang on. I'm going to put this right here. Okay. I'm going to put this green thing in it so that matches up with it. And then I'm going to take 2 of these. Okay, I'm going to place this, hang on, you have to adjust it so that it goes in like that. And then the long side right there, and then another one right there. And then you're going to take another one of these pieces and you're going to put it right here. And take a small piece, put it in there, okay. And now we are going to take this and I'm going to put it right there, okay? And this piece down here, I'm going to put it like that. Okay, yep, that's good. And now I'm going to take the longest of these, put it in there so that it matches. And I'm going to take this and put it right there, that piece. And I'm going to take another one, put it right there. Take a small piece, put it in there. Okay, that's all for that. And then for that, let's see, I'm gonna take that, put it right there, and this right there, okay? Oh, wait. Turn it, put it in there like that. And then you're gonna take this piece and put it right there. Okay, and you're gonna take a small piece, put it right there. Oh, wait a minute. You're gonna take this piece, actually, put it there. Take one of these big pieces, put it there. And another medium piece right there. Okay, and then oh wait, I'm gonna put this last piece right there, I think, like that. Yep. And then I'm going to take another one of these medium pieces and the last small piece. There we go. Okay. And these two marbles go like that. Okay, so next we are, wait a minute. These two marbles, if you put them on the wrong side, it's hard to get off. Put them right on the other side. Okay, step 3 is to, let's see, step 3. Okay, I'm going to need one black piece, 6 of these gray pieces, 6 of them, okay. 6, okay. Okay, so, oh, and you're gonna need this piece that kind of looks like a hive or something like that. Okay, and you're going to place that right here, I believe. So one of them goes over it. And then you're gonna take 3 of these and you're gonna put these together and place that right over it. And the black one right there. And then the other 3 right here. Okay, that was step 3. Now moving on to step 4. You're gonna take one of these long ones. You're gonna take 2 of these. Let's see, I need, where is it? Two of these pieces. Wait, no. Yeah, 2 of these pieces. And then you are going to need, wait, I'm not done yet. I have to keep finding this one. I think I can, oh wait. I'm just gonna use this because it's kind of the same. Yeah, whatever, I think that'll work. Yeah, that'll work, okay. And then you need the, where is it? Nope. you need this. You're gonna put this piece right on there like that. Okay, and you need that. And then you need this too. And this one. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, now we are going to put this right here, that, and then we're gonna put this piece there, and take this piece, put it right here, either way you want, it doesn't really matter, and then you're gonna take this small piece, put it right there, and then you're gonna take this piece, put it right there, and then this, here, wait, that's exactly like this. Oops. Okay, there we go. Now we are going to put this piece right here and this long piece, attaching it to this one. And moving on to step 5, we will be needing 10 of these gray pieces. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there we go. And we are also going to be needing this. Same one of these clear things that look like a hive. And we're going to be putting it so it's like that. One's over here so I can fall in. And we're going to take 2 of these, put one there, and then we're going to take 2, put them together, and put it right here. And then we're going to take another 2, and we're going to put it right there. Another 2 there, and then another 2 there. Okay, there we go. Moving on to step 6 will basically be the final step, I think. Yep, I think it is. Okay, you'll be needing the blue, green, and red marbles, which we will save for the end. We'll be needing 4 of these. So 1, 2, 3. One more. 4. Okay, there we go. One of these. 2 of the black pieces. And 3 gray pieces. Okay, now we need 3 of these. One of these. We'll be needing, don't think I have that piece, sadly. It's fine. We'll just use this piece, I guess. Okay. And okay, there we go. Whatever. 3 black pieces. We'll see if that works. If it doesn't, I'll just leave it out. Okay. So, oh, wait a minute. Okay, sorry. Take that black piece out. Take the oh, okay, never mind. Okay, and we're going to use this 3 piece and swirl piece. Okay. Now we will be putting this swirly piece. Oops. fixing something right now. Okay, there we go. So we'll be putting this roller piece right over there, like that. And we will take this, put it right there. This on the short side, like that. Another piece, but going up here, that on the short side. And then we'll take one of these, put it there, and then we will put this piece right here. And now we'll take, oh wait a minute. Okay, so remember how I said you needed 3 of these? You actually need 9, okay? So grab 6 more. Okay, there you go. And we're gonna put one right here. And you're gonna put another there. Another there. Okay. And then we will be putting this, wait. Okay, yeah. We'll take another one of these, put it there. And then we will be putting that like this, that. And take another one of these, there. Take one of these short pieces there. And take this last piece, and we will be putting it there. There. And then okay, so we actually don't need these pieces, so I'll put them back in the bin. Don't need these either, I don't think. Oh, wait. Put this short piece right there. And looking for any other places that I may have missed. No, I think that's it. Yeah, we don't need this piece either, okay? So with that, put the blue one here, the red one here, green one here. You actually could put them anywhere. And it's finished. So I'll do one round and some holes may be lucky. So I'm going to test it. And there we go. Okay, yeah, so that didn't work. We're gonna try again. I do not know what happened. So just put them in anywhere you want. Okay. Should have worked. I don't understand what happened. Okay, anyways. And green has 1. And blue is eliminated because he didn't make it. Okay. So with that, okay, so yeah, the green first, red second, and blue last. So another thing that you can do is you ever like do a bet on whoever was gonna win. You bet usually, so like green won that time, right? So you could go like, I bet blue's gonna win, and well, it will. Like, okay, yeah. So if that happens, wait, where is it? Okay. So you just gotta figure out which one kind of is the lucky one. So let's see. This spot won last time, so it could be green. Yeah, so this spot right here, I'm gonna tell you, is the luckiest spot. Wins every time, I think. I hope. Or if, I'm not even sure who won that time, so I'm just gonna run through it again. And so let's see who won. So also set it up for, so these two usually get first. Not really sure which one gets first, but it's, you just have to do a bunch of times to figure out which one select this one. See how red won that time? So, and red was in, like, so you want to set it, let's see. You want to set it so that the first one that gets in there, which is hopefully the one you put on, goes this way, because it has this force where it goes like a slingshot, which makes faster. So you go, I think it's actually like this spot. I'm not sure, it's, but I don't really know, but yeah, see a red one again. And it's, if it goes right here, behind another one, it's just eliminated because it stays there and never makes it to the finish line. Yeah. Yeah, so do it as many times as you want. It's fun to watch them. And sometimes there's ties, like what just happened. So you could do like silver and then you could put like blue right here or something like that, because it still works like that. So, and then it'd be like blue would be winner. So yeah. Okay. So I think that you guys will have fun with this, and I will probably do many of these, and there will be many other sets that I'll make. Like we did track 1 because I messed up kind of, but yeah, you can make your own too, which is also nice because you can like figure it out, show some kids. Yeah. So with that, it is done. We'll run it through one more time, and that's that. So I hope you guys had fun. Like and subscribe. See you next time, guys.